Hello everyone. Today I'll be doing a little demo of the fix that we did on concurrency and what's the issue and how I'm fixing it. So let me try to first show like what's the issue and what's the problem. So here in my example first, I'm going to have three pipeline run in there, which is test 1, test 2, test 3, and they are all going to be triggered when you get a new pull request on main, and there is a concurrency of one on my repo that would just queue them one by one. So you send a push on a pull request, and you would those three will get triggered and get queued one by one. And to be able to reproduce the problem, what I did is that a little patch on code, and where I say like whenever there is like this pipeline run, which is test 2, which is the second one, then error things and make an error. So basically, like it reproduces like a problem when there is the cluster is being too busy or have concurrency issues, and when we can't do the update the pipeline run to put in progress, so to start it, and then it would completely fail, and the concurrency queue would fail. So that's what I'm going to reproduce now. So I have deployed, I have the logs here, and I'm going to send a commit. So first I'm going to do some cleanup because I had the thing here. No, I don't have anything. So yeah, let me send the thing. So it's going to start the first pipeline run soon. And yeah, so the first one is going to start, but when it's going to come to the second one, it's going to fail directly. And here's when I'm flagging, but you see, like usually like the third one should have started because like the second one didn't work. So there's a few mechanisms like to make it try for a few times, but for whatever reason when it's not failing, it would fail completely. So that's an issue. So let me try to see the fix now. So first I'm going to do some cleanup. I'm going to stash that change, and then I'm going to use the branch that has the fix, and I'm going to add that little change that would replicate the error. Right, so I have it, I have the change, but in this case, like I have continue on failing, that explains everything in the commit, and what I did like to be able like to basically like avoid the deadlock on this thing. So everything is been thing. I need to redeploy, so I need to use that, which is my little thing, like to deploy to my local development environment. So it's going to take a few seconds, and it's going to come up, and then we'll be able like to show. So here we go. Normally like yeah, the controller and the watcher have started and everything, so all good. So we can try now to replicate the problem. Let me do the watch first, so there's no pipeline run, and now I'm going to start a new pipeline run, a new thing. Okay, so it gets there. All right, so now it's like you see, so the first one is like as usual, it's going to start and it's going to succeed, but now it's like when you get to the second one, it's going to fail, but the third one is like it's getting started now. And same goes like when you get like a new commit coming through, and then you would now it's like I had a new commit, and it doesn't get stuck anymore like if you get like a new one. So it's not going to, so it's still going to fail on the test 2, which is normal. So it's going to do test 1, and it's going to test 3, and test 2, since it's like it's hard coded to be failing, then it would fail and it would keep them as failing. So at least the main thing that's been fixed here is that there is no deadlock anymore. So the queue is like it's going around. There's still going to be some pending pipeline run that's going to stay. But first of all, like those pending pipeline run, it's like they're not going to be kept pending all the time, because we fix like a few other issues, which is we had like a retry mechanism that wasn't working properly before, and now it's like it properly, like the retry, like along, like you can try like to update the pipeline when in progress is extended, and as well like that retry mechanism as a loop to try at least 5 times until it gave up. We can try like to report back those pending pipeline runs that has been stuck, but yeah, that's something that we can do next if it's a problem. But like the main thing that would be fixed is that if the user is doing like a slash retest or slash test and whatever, like whenever it doesn't see, then it would continue and would retry, and would like it would continue and would work properly instead of as before. So that's it, and yeah, let me know if you have any comments.